This video is going to show you how to use the Interlibrary Loan, or ILL service, through the Briscoe Library. Just a quick overview of what Interlibrary Loan, or ILL, actually is. If the library doesn't have access to an item that you want, we can send a request out to another library and try to get a copy for you. This includes digital copies of journal articles or book chapters, or requesting physical volumes of books to be delivered to the library to be checked out to the patron. For digital items, requests are usually filled between 1 and 3 days after they're placed. For physical books, the wait time is a little bit longer. It could be anywhere between 1 and 3 weeks, depending on where the item is being ordered from, mail times, and how difficult it is to find a lender for the item. In order to get to ILL, you can start from the library's homepage, scroll down, and click on Request an Interlibrary Loan. This will take you to our LibGuide, where you can read a little bit more about how to use ILL and making requests through ILL. In order to log in, you'll click the orange button on the left side of the page. If you're a current faculty, staff, or student, you'll click here, and you'll log in using your UTESCA domain account. If you're an adjunct faculty, you'll log in using your library ID and PIN. For instructions on how to set up an account with us if you're adjunct, check the LibGuide. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to see your ILL account. The first thing you'll want to do is update your profile information. You can do that in the blue menu at the top by clicking Profile and then Update Profile, which will take you into the account information page. On the account information page, make sure to scroll through and fill out everything that's marked in red. We won't be able to fill out ILL requests for you unless your profile is complete. Once done, scroll down to the bottom and click Submit Information. You'll find your currently active requests in the Electronically Received Articles area of your account. Here you can view the requests that are currently being stored in your ILL account. Please be aware that these are kept in here for 21 days. Afterwards, they will be removed. So if you need to keep a copy of your article, please make sure to download it before the 21 days is over. What you can do here is you can actually just click the view icon, and that will go ahead and open it up in PDF format. And from here, you can view and read your article, or you can print or download. From the main page, you can also view your history, which will show you all the requests you've made. You'll go up here to the main menu and click History. You can see your canceled requests, completed requests, or all requests. So if you click on All Requests, you'll see all the requests that you've made, and it will show you the details and what happened to it. So for example, this one is still in processing, this one was canceled by the staff, this one was delivered to web. And you can actually view a little bit more information about it. So for example, with this one, if you wanted to, you could clone the request if you wanted to remake it. So this is a good way to see everything that you have in your account. To make a new request, you'll go up to the top and click New Requests. You'll see that you have the option for article, book, or book chapter. Articles are for digital scans of journal articles. Book chapters are for digital scans of chapters from either print books or ebooks. Books are slightly different. The book loan form is for physical copies of print books that we borrow from other libraries who then mail them to us and we check them out to our patrons. Please only use the book loan form if you want a print book. Please note we cannot order ebooks through this form. Now we're going to quickly look at ordering an article. When it comes to ordering articles, please make sure to fill out as much information as you can. The more information you can give us, the easier it will be for us to find a copy of your article for you. You'll see that there are several things marked in red, so these will have to be filled out. But if you can provide something like a PMID or a DOI, that will make it much easier for us to find your item. You can let us know if there's a time when you don't need it after, or leave us any notes. And at the bottom, make sure to click I agree to comply with all applicable copyright restrictions. And then when you're done, you'll click Submit Request. And now you'll see when it moves you back to the main page, that this is now under the outstanding requests area in your ILL account. That method is how you go about requesting an ILL through your ILL account. There are other options, however, which make it easier to submit requests when you're browsing or doing research. Say, for example, that you're in PubMed and you see an article that you're interested in. You can click this blue HSC link button and it will tell you if we have full text or not. If you click this link and we do have access to it, it will take you straight to the full text. However, sometimes when you click this link, it will load and you'll get a page like this, which says no luck online. This will tell you that the library does not have access electronically to this specific article. What you can do, however, is you'll see that there is a step 2, get through interlibrary loan. This is a quick link that will let you automatically order this item through ILL. So if you click here, it will take you directly into ILL. And if you're not logged in, it will prompt you to log in. Otherwise, it would take you directly in. And you'll see that in the article request, it's already pre-populated the fields for me. So this is just a slightly easier way to order an ILL through PubMed or another database. And once everything is filled out, just double check your information and then click submit. And once again, you'll see that it shows up in your outstanding requests area in your account. If you have any questions, you can email us at askalibrarian@utesca.edu, call us at 210-567-2450, or live chat on our website, library.utesca.edu.